Okay, perfect. Now, let's see to recap what we have last class. What we have last class was the schedules of door schedules, correct, Rosa? That we practice one more time the door schedules, correct? And,
Yes.
okay, and I encourage you, Haley and Rosa. Okay, este es un tip que les voy a dar. I encourage you ladies, go ahead and see the link I send you last Saturday. Okay, I'm going to send the same recorder tomorrow for the YouTube, so you have it longer, but still, okay? Make notes on this door schedule, okay? Where you have to go ahead and check it out, the fields you have that are using. Then you go filter. We don't have filter for this schedule at this moment. Go ahead, okay? You can check it out, the sorting grouping, okay? All this, perfect, okay? Write it down in a little notebook, because we think sometimes that we can have everything and then something that we forget, then we don't have it handy there. So write it down. 14, formatting, and sorry, formatting, you see what is hidden. The hidden are going to be the level in this case. Plus, Haley and Rosa, remember, we did a room name parameter, okay? Parameter, project parameter, okay? So, go ahead. Okay, and see the appearance, okay? The same language that you are using here probably is the same language that we are going to do for our list, index on list, that is going to be today, okay? What are we going to do today? Saturday is going to be only on conceptual massing. I'm going to start, I don't think so tonight, but Saturday is pending conceptual massing, basic forms, okay, and grouping, and the concept of a central file. If I see that we cannot complete that on Saturday, then I encourage you, give me time for Tuesday, no later than Tuesday, ladies, to go to have a meeting, have a class that will be the last class. It's Tuesday, okay? So, in order to get other things that we forgot, anything, any questions. What are we going to do tonight is, I'm going to show you the index of drawings. I'm going to show you, again, go back to the site, correct? But first, to do a rating walls, 2 ratings walls using filter, because we need to know how to use filter, at least for the rating walls, correct? So site plan, then after that, you have the core family. That concept, I want you think about it, that solution, the same solution that you can have other approach. The solution on using a railing, and the railing, only the top of the railing to be the curve in order to you place it on your site, okay? Just to see a simple basic site components, then go ahead and start preparing for a rendering, basic things for the rendering. Now, from the rendering, I'm going to send you, not tonight, tomorrow, display settings that I want you go and have it handy, print it out. When you in the future wants to do a rendering, one of the things that you need to control is the quality and resolution. Also, you have to think about the time that you are going to give on that rendering and the quality. And I'm going to explain that briefly. Okay, and that for tonight. If we have the chance, we are going to start looking at a walkthrough, okay? So for now, let's start doing that. And okay, so this is the this is the door schedule. Now, let's see that. Open the door schedule, please, ladies. Open your door schedule. Okay. Let's see that you don't want to have this column here on, because you have a total here, correct? You can either hit it here, or you can also go here to fields. You see edit fields, you can click on fields, and then come to what says, I'm sorry, go to formatting, I'm sorry, formatting. And formatting, you select count. You see what is the field that we have?
Can you repeat how you get that
Yes.
window?
Okay. You are here, correct? You are on your door schedule. Yes? Okay. I'm going to go slow. Okay. You can get a door schedule on your project browser. Okay. Or, yes, that's the only way here that you can go and get your door schedule over here. Now, you see here, Haley and Rosa, the properties of that schedule. The same that you are going to have when I click over there is going to be here. Fields, filter, sorting, grouping, formatting, and appearance, okay? That's how you modify and manipulate your schedules, correct? Now, if you don't want to show this like one because you have a grand total, let's see if we can do something. You come here on what says formatting, okay, and formatting. You notice something, levels. We have the levels using it. The level is only over here. No, it's over here as a field. Why? Because we select the level and you hit the field. Okay, pay attention to that. Be aware of that. Another field that we hit it, if I'm not wrong, for now, it was only that, okay? It was only that. But let's say that you don't want to show counting and counting field over here. Let's see if we can do this. Select count under formatting. When you select count here, let's see hidden field, okay? So you have only the grand totals. Let's say, just for you to know, how many doors do we have in the whole project? 29. That's it. But you don't need to see the itemizing one, you know, or the field. Correct? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So that's the same language that we are going to use to create our index of drawings. And that's the same language that we are going to use if you want to do other type of schedules, okay? So I just want you save this file, ladies, and go and open it and analyze that, okay, how we did the door schedule. Click on the field, okay? Click on the filter. We don't use no filter in this case, correct? You go here. We don't use, even though you can go here the same. You see fields, filter, formatting, grouping, formatting, appearance, the same you have it here in your properties. So you say, I don't have no filter. Go to the sorting grouping. Well, I have only sorting by level, then by mark, okay? Then you check grand totals and you uncheck the itemizing every instant because it's going to be the same, one. You don't need that. So the same settings you have here on your door schedules or any schedule, the same you have here, and it's here where you need to manipulate it or here, okay? Okay, so for now we have that. Now let's say that we are going to have, we have already some new sheets, but I want to show you. Okay, we have some sheets here. okay? Like if you come here, 101 floor plan, 102 second floor, one A108, and another sheet pending for name, and 200 are the exteriors, and 300 are the sections, and the 400 are going to be the stair section, correct? So we have that established previously from the last class, right? But I'm going to do something now. I'm going to show you something now. I want you go what's over here on view, okay? Go in view, and you are going to click what says, you see, you have the schedules quantity, the graphical column schedules, the material takeoff, but then we are going to use the sheet list, okay? The sheet list. Click on that. Okay, this is a schedule, but in another formatting, because this schedule was done on the quantities or on the first one option you have. But this, the same environment, but is for the index of drawings, correct? So you are going to say, okay, sheet, because that's what we are going to do, the sheet. Then you are coming here and you are going to look for what? You are going to look for sheet number, select sheet number, then select sheet name, correct? Let's keep it simple, okay? Then once we have that, then we can come. For now, all these availables, I don't want to use it. I want to create my parameter, okay? My project parameter, okay? Okay, now what I have, I'm going to click over here, okay. So far we have this, correct, ladies? So far we have this, and that's what we have. You can increase this, the name, and have something like this. Are you with me on this?
Yes.
Okay, now look at here. I want you to save this. Okay, we have the sheet number and the sheet name. You can also change here the name, and you can put index of drawing, correct? Nothing happened. Now, let's say that you say, well, you know what, I need to have a complex index of drawings. Let me open, no, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to keep it like that, simple. Let's say that we need to incorporate cover sheet, general notes. We need to also include the civil, life safety. We need to include also architectural, obviously, structural, and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And there is other ones that are not, because you can have a pool consultant, you need to interior designer, could be other disciplines, but let's keep it simple, right? Now, if I want to keep it simple, okay, then what I need to do, let's see, what I need to do is come here, and you see that you want to insert or placeholder all those sheets for the consultants, correct? Including the cover sheet. Okay, so you come here on this insert data row, okay? Insert data row. Then you see the A1, the A16. You have the A16. Okay, let's go for architectural. Let's go enter only one. Let's go enter two more, 1 and 2. Okay, so we have A3, A103, A104, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now, let's say that you said, well, I need to enter the cover sheet. Let's go and order the cover sheet in general notes. Then you enter one more row, and then over here in the sheet of number, you are going to enter a, let's say a 00. Then this is going to be the cover, let's say the cover sheet. Okay, could be a different format in your office, but let's do something like this. Okay, so you have A00, then you insert another one, another data row below. See how comes A01? Then you are going to put over here general notes. General notes. Simple like that. Okay? So then we are going to go with civil. Civil. Okay? So you come here, insert data row. One more time, but instead ZA, you are going to enter Z00. Z00. Then you are going to put civil general notes. Okay? Like that. Okay? Then let's go enter like two more for civil. One and two. Two more for civil. Okay, so 001, Z00, Z01, Z02. Okay, we place the names later on, but these are the placeholders. Now you are with civil. Then comes, let's say, life safety. You come here, insert data row, and then insert Z03, you are going to enter LS10. Let's put it that way, LS10. Because you can have landscaping, and landscaping could be L, but I want just to keep it simple, and let's put life safety here, okay? Ay, cómo molesta esto. Okay, oh my God, esto qué es. Bueno, qué jartera esto. Let me put away this, please. Okay, okay, now let's go enter. Let me remove this because it's kind of, oh my God, give me 1 second. Let me see. Oh, no, ¿qué es esa porquería? Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's go. LS10. Now come another, let's go enter two more for life safety. Okay, we have LS 1.1, 1.2. Now life safety, then after life safety, let's do some structural. Okay, well, actually, first life safety, then architectural, then structural. Okay, we can take care of that. So insert one more for structural. So that will be S10. Let's keep it like this, 1 decimal, 1, 0. Then this is going to be structural nodes. Let's see, structural nodes. Okay, then another two more, leave it like that, another for, then mechanical, mechanical is going to be M10, A10, and this is mechanical, that's it, mechanical, and then we are going to insert two more for mechanical, and then one more time, electrical. So it's going to be E10, then it's going to be electrical. sorry, electrical. Okay, then let's go enter 2 more rows. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm sorry, I was out of the screen for you to share. Okay, okay. Now let's go electrical. Let's go enter 2 more rows. Then another row that will be the last row that will be plumbing. Plumbing, which is P10. Then let's go enter here plumbing. Okay, then enter 2 more rows. That's it. Okay, 2 more rows. Okay, are you with me, ladies? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, Rosa and Haley.
Yes.
Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, so we have this a tentative index of drawings, correct? But we need to do a little more work on this, first of all. Now, one thing is that we can create all these sheets. How? Well, we can come and then say like, let's see, go to the view, correct? And then on the view, we are going to look for sheets. Okay, view, go for sheet. Okay, and I want you, let me know when you ladies are here on this dialogue. Let me know when
There.
you ladies, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you see, you have all these sheets that you just did in this dialogue below. You went to view, then you go and look for sheets. Now you can generate all these sheets, placeholder over here. How? You select this A00 cover sheet, then go and with your shift tool or keyboard on your keyboard, press down and select the last one. Then you set new sheet. Okay. Okay. So
I couldn't see A00 in that list, but
you can create it. You can create it.
Hi, Luz. I have a question.
but
Okay.
How can you insert one sheet in between of what we have right now, let's say?
Yes, that's a good question. But okay, I'm going to answer you that. Let me see. Let me see. Rosa, do you have all these sheets over here on the project browser?
let me check.
I'm going to answer that, Haley.
No, no.
¿Cómo que no, Rosa? Okay,
She.
Rosa, let me explain to you. Go to view, correct? Go to sheet.
Okay, and there.
And sheet over here, you should have the sheet that you just did and you schedule.
Okay. And
Okay? You highlight it, scroll down y presionas, press down the shift on your keyboard. Then you select OK. Okay?
Let me. I'm waiting. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Haley, do you have those sheets over here in the project browser?
Yes, I have.
Okay, now Haley asked me something. Okay, let's say what sheet do you need to insert? Where exactly, Haley? Haley, where you need to enter the sheet? Haley?
Look, for example, in my case, I don't have A103.
You
I don't
will
have
have it.
A104.
I don't
Okay.
have but that.
Okay, let me, Haley, let me answer Haley, then I go to you. Haley,
Yeah, Luz, I'm
which,
listening.
Okay, which sheet do you want to insert? Where and between?
A
Tell me.
A14, which is after A13 and A00.
Okay, so you need to insert A104.
Correct.
Okay, so what you need to do is this. Simple. Uh, let me see if I have the A104 something. Let me do this myself. I don't want you to do it. Okay, good. I don't have that with no image. Perfect. Now, I am, and I'm going to insert A14, correct? What I need to do is this. Look, I need to go ahead here in my project browser, correct? I can right click new sheet. It's going to obviously get the last number that it was done on the schedule, which is P something. I'm going to get here, correct? And it's going to ask me the title block. Yes. I say, okay. But it's going to take me to P14, and that's not what I want, correct? So I come here, and then what I do is I click double on that sheet number, and I come A104. That's it. And then A104, it will be here. Okay? Ahora, another situation I can go and approach on that is this. You went here to the, let's see, we were here, correct? Remember that we were here, correct? On your index of
Yes.
drawing?
Yes.
Then here, you can come here, Haley and Rosa, insert data row.
Yeah, but it's at the end. The A104 that you create is at the end. It's not located in between
Listen,
on the index.
listen. You see on your project browser where it's located?
Yes, it's located in the right position.
Okay, we are going to do the same here. Okay?
Okay.
Give
Okay.
me some time. Give me some time that we are going to do it. Okay? Now, which sheet you don't have, Rosa, that you said that you are missing?
A103.
You don't have A103?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I have it here, okay? But I'm going to do it and check it out. Let me do this myself 1 second. I don't have nothing there. I'm going to delete it. Okay, now, perfect. I come back to my index of drawings, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you in the index of drawings, what I want is to insert data row again. Click over here. It's coming A10, A105, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to change it to A103, correct? It's going to be here for now, okay? It's here. Now, look at here. Let's do something. Save it, correct, save it, and close that. Close only the index of drawing, that view. Close it for now. Close it for now. Close the door schedule for now. Now go back to the schedules where you have your schedules. You have your schedules over here. The schedule, click again and click twice on your schedule. Still the A104 is there, correct? At the end, and the other ones, and let's see the, okay, perfect. Now, good question, because that's what we are going to take care of that. We need to create 2 parameters. Which ones? Simple. Discipline and list, let's say index of list, something that you can use a number and put, or civils are 1, or architectural are 2, plus the discipline, in order for A104 and A103 be in the grouping that they should be. That's the answer. Let's go do it. Now, you come here on the manage, okay? Go to manage. Here, you are going to look for project parameters. Click. Okay, let me go ahead and fill this up. Esta silla. Este perrito se me pone detrás y a veces me da miedo golpearlo. Okay, so we are on the project parameters, correct? Project parameters. Now, the only parameters that we have created is the room name for the door, and then by default is the occupancy. But let's go create two parameters that we need. Then you come here to add, correct? Add. Then you have this dialog. Okay? So over here, you are going to enter discipline, upper D, discipline. That's it, discipline. And let's go leave it, we can leave it like a type. You see type. Then you can leave discipline common by type parameter, the type of that parameter, you click on it and you are going to enter text because it's a text that you are going to enter in that discipline parameter. Okay, and this is kind of a custom tooltip, and this is the explanation. This is now I will give you a tip on this. If you create a parameter for equipment, then you can put here manufacturer, whatever, and that will go in your schedule. But for now, we don't need that. Now, important thing is here in the categories. This is going to be used where, could you please tell me, lady, where you're going to use this for me to locate where we need to put this? Who can help me? Hello? Who can help me to check where we need to put this? We need to look for the category of schedules in order for us to put this parameter. So let's go here. It looks like that I don't have the discipline. Let's go here. We need to find the category for this. I don't think so. Instant, it will be a different categories. Let's see if you put in instant. It's a project parameter. It's discipline, and let's go here to look for grids, no levels, no lines, no. Let me see, schedules. Okay, schedules. I want you go and instant, please. Discipline, check instant, and look for schedules. Okay, look for schedules and also for sheets, just in case. Discipline is an instant parameter, and category, look for schedule and sheets. Okay, ladies? Okay, then you say okay, and text. Okay, perfect. Now we add the other parameter. Click again and add. Okay. Here you are going to enter, let's say, uppercase list sheet. That's it. Okay, we are going to hide these parameters anyway. So list sheet. This is going to be an instant parameter, but what you have here, type of parameter, you are going to enter integer. Integer is a number. Integer, the second after text. Okay? So then one more time, the category that you are going to look if sheet, schedules, and sheets. Okay? Schedule and sheets. Okay? Any questions so far? Okay.
No.
No? Okay, perfect. So you have those, and then we come here. Nothing happened here yet. Then here, you being in your index of drawings, you come here to fields. Click on edit fields. Then you are going to scroll down and look for discipline, because we can use design by, and design by could be the consultant. But let's go discipline, go over there. Then look for list of sheet, go there. Okay, now I want to go first with, let's see, discipline. Let's go list sheet. The list sheet going up. Then my discipline going up. So in other words, I'm going to have list sheet, then discipline, then sheet number, then sheet name. Okay? Okay, now let's go here and click OK. This is what we have. Correct, ladies?
Yes.
That's okay. Okay, so let's start with the sheet list. Who is coming first? Who is coming first will be the cover sheet and the general notes. So that will be over here, the A00 and the A01. So I go here and I look, and I'm going to enter 0. Then I'm going to enter 0 one more time in the other row, because belongs to the cover sheet and general notes. Then I'm going to, under discipline, I'm going to enter here, let's see, general. I'm going to enter general. Then I click away and I click again, and I can click and select general, okay? Because it's already typed in there for us to use. So far, so good, ladies? Okay, now, after the cover sheet, comes the survey and all the description and all those things. But then also the civil, correct? So you locate where is the civil general notes, C00, C01. Then you are going to enter 1 and 1 for those civils, and are 3 civil sheets. You have 3 civil sheets. Then under discipline, you are going to enter civil. Then obviously click away and click in the other row. You will have civil available and civil available. So far, so good, ladies?
Yeah.
Okay, so after civil comes landscaping. Let's say we don't have landscaping. Okay. Oh, we have life safety. In this case, let's say life safety. So you come on life safety LS 102. You enter under list sheet 2, 2, and 2. 2 sheets for the life safety. It should be 5, 6 sheets for this example, because of the building. This example, let's go have only 3 sheets for the life safety. Then under discipline, you are going to enter life safety. Okay, life safety. One more time. Then you are going to go down, look for life safety, go the other one, life safety. Okay, so far so good, ladies? Okay, now, then come architectural. Then what you're going to do is 2 life safety, 3 will be architectural. Then you are going to select, let's go start from here, and then we jump to these 2 ladies at the end. So you are going to, on the sheet list, enter 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3, plus the 2A104, 3, A103, 3. Then you are going to enter architectural. Okay, it's going to be available. Now, once you have it there, it's going to be available for the other sheets. Then you go ahead, architectural, 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 architectural. Then the last one, architectural as well. Okay, so you have from 101 until, I believe, 108, 6, I'm sorry. Okay, okay, okay. Now, see when it changes, it comes here next to this. Okay, Haley and Rosa, because that's what you're doing here. So 3 is for architectural. Now, a structural is going to be 4. All the structural 4, 4, and 4. Only 4 sheets for a structural. Then you write down the discipline structural. Perdona, structural. Okay, structural.
How many structural
Structural
sheet?
3.
3. Okay.
3, but if you have 2, that's okay. What I want to see is at the end. That's what and I want to go and check each of those sheets that you have. Okay, 4 structural. Now, then comes mechanical, will be 5. Enter 5 for mechanical, right? 5 and 5 for mechanical. Okay. Then you enter mechanical. The word mechanical. Okay, is available here already. You type it one, then it's going to be available for the second time. Now, the electrical is MEP. Electrical is then the number 6. 6, 6, 6, and 6. I believe it's 4, 6. 4, 6 for electrical. Doesn't matter. If it's 2, fine. If it's 3, fine. And then that will be electrical. Correct? Then click over here, electrical, click again. Then click one more time. That's it. Then finally, plumbing. Then 6 is electrical, plumbing will be 7. 7, 7, 7, and 7. And then you enter here plumbing. Correct? Plumbing. And plumbing is available. You click anywhere in an empty space, you will have plumbing available. Plumbing and plumbing. Correct? And save it. Okay? Now, I want you go ahead and let's go see if that will help to set up our index of drawings. Let's go here on sorting by grouping. Okay, let's go sorting by grouping over here. And sorting by grouping, you are going to sort by what? By list of sheet. Correct? You are not going to have no header, no footer available. No. Then by what you're going to sort, you click on none and then you select by discipline. Correct? But in discipline, I want you check on header because I want to be seeing a header. Then a black line. So I'm going to recap. Sorting by what? The first is list sheet. ascending order. No check anything here. No check header, no check footer, no check black line. Then by. The second sorted that you are going to do is then by discipline, ascending order, check on header, and check on blank line. Then you are going to sort by, let's see here, you are going to sort by sheet number, correct? Okay. You are not going to itemize every, let's go, the grand totals. Let's go do this, leave it like this for now. Let's go click OK and see what do you have. Okay, I want you tell me where do you have the A104 and A103 or A105?
I have in the right position now.
Okay, but you see the language that you need to talk to the program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and I want you to say this because you can add also related with the revision, with the schedule that you have on your title block that you can use it. Now, we haven't finished yet because you don't want to have, oh, general 00, it doesn't say anything because this is part of the cheat list, correct? So while we, oh, you don't also want to have repeating this. You know this is the discipline, okay? Because you have it here, civil, life safety. The life safety is not discipline, but okay, we put it separate that architectural, okay? Belongs to, but we have it like that, life safety, architectural, structural, M, E, and P. Okay, now we need to do one more thing. So you go to Formati, correct? Go to Formati here. Highlighted cheat list, or list cheat. It's a cheat list, I'm sorry, cheat list. But I wrote, we can change it, but leave it like that. So here in field formatting, hidden field. You say, okay. Click on appearance, leave the appearance alone. I'm not going with the appearance. You can change the text, but just leave it like that. Go back to formatting. And formatting, go back and select discipline. Field formatting. For discipline, I want one more time hidden field over here. Then say, okay, this is what you want. Correct, ladies? This is what you want. Correct? So see, general, you have your sheet numbers and the name. You are not repeating. Civil, you have the sheet numbers and the name of that sheets. Life safety, you have the sheet numbers and the name of those respective sheets. And so, okay, and ordering. If you want to enter a discipline, then you come here and sorting by grouping, by formatting, then you unhid it, sheet list and discipline, you work or you add whatever you need to add. Let's say that you need to add, tell me something, what discipline do you think that you need to add? Haley or Rosa. Cualquiera disciplina que you need to add. Cualquiera. Let's say that is going to be equipment, restaurant equipment, o el vendor, el que te está haciendo el equipment del restaurante del edificio, let's say, o el que te está haciendo el swimming pool, ¿ok? O el que te está haciendo interior designer, porque el dueño está pagando aparte un consultant para él, o el landscaping. We can do the landscaping, but the landscaping will be at the end. Let's say, okay? Let's say that we are going to insert some more sheets, only 3 sheets. How you do it? Okay, simple. Go to list sheet, on your formatting and check it. Go select discipline and uncheck it, correct? Come here, one more time you have it like that. Then you come on your make sure that you are on the modify schedule quantities, okay, in order for have these tools available in your ribbon. Then you go back and say insert data row. Let's go. Click. Okay, it's going to be, you see, on the top, because the latest sheet that we did was A105, if I'm not wrong. Okay, insert another one and insert another one. They are on the top. They're not supposed, but they need to give, you need to get the information. So over here, what we're going to enter is going to be plumbing. We are going to put these sheets, let's say, at the end on plumbing. This is the vendor, correct? This is the swimming pool vendor. Ahora mismo no me acuerdo. Aquatic. Let's say, let's go put here. Then over here, the number that you're going to enter for the list sheet or sheet list is going to be 8, 8, and 8. Then the discipline, in this case, that guy, see how comes here immediately, is going to be aquatic. Let's see, aquatic. Vamos a escribirlo así. I'm sorry. AQ1. Let's say AQ1, la primera hoja. Después viene la segunda hoja, then AQ2. Let's say. The last one, AQ3, okay? Click anywhere, but then they need to be together. They need to be a group and grouping as a discipline, correct? So the discipline, I'm sorry, I'm going to put, I'm sorry, over here I make a mistake. Over here where it says discipline, we need to put aquatic. Aquatic, así. Aquatic, AQUATIC. That's the name of the company, or I believe it's something like that. Aquatics, or vendor, or the name of the vendor, whatever, something like it. You can group it. And see the discipline here appears. Correct? Then you change the name of that sheet. It's AQ1, uppercase, AQ1, and then AQ2, which is the number, the sheet of the number Q2, okay, and then AQ3, okay, that's it. Then one more time, you go here, the formatting, you select list sheet, hidden field, you say okay, correct? Then you are going to do the same with discipline. Go back to formatting, I'm sorry, select discipline and hidden field. And this is what you have. Okay, Haley? Rosa?
Yes.
Okay, so that could be a sheet index of drawings. Now, you can insert other fields. Like, for example, you have the fields here, edit fields. Then you can enter current revision. Let's see, current revision. Then current date, current revision date. Okay, that's it. To keep it simple, like that. Okay, then click over here. You have the current revision and the current revision date. Always is important with the dates. Okay, so you have something like that. You save it. Correct. Okay, now let's do something. Haley and Rosa, could you please share with me the index of drawings? I'm going to make moderator, participant, I believe is, or presentator. Haley, I'm going to start with you. I have you here in list. Presentator, please. Then Rosa. Let me turn down the lights in my house. Okay. Okay, let me see, Haley.
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay, espérate que yo quiero verlas. Okay, excellent. See, save it and analyze it. Analyze it because that could be easily. Oh, if you want, okay, we can insert. We can also insert the counting because you want to know how many sheets, correct? You have in the project. You go back to the. You go. Okay, Haley, do me a favor. Go to fields. And Rosa, go to fields. Click. Go ahead, fields. Click. Look on the over there. Look for count. Yes, I'm going to do the same here. Look for count and enter count. Then you have count there, correct?
Mhm.
Now go back, go back to fields. Then go to sorting by grouping. And sorting by grouping, I want you and check the itemizing every instant. But click on grand totals. Grand totals. Okay. Oh, beautiful. And say, okay, perfect. So you have something like that. Now, you see what said F column. You see the F column? It says count. Highlighted there. See, ahí. Select F. F. Como like drag it all, the whole column. Excellent. And we may try hit it on your ribbon on your right side upper, which says show next to, hit it. It should hit it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to hit it. Okay, I want. Oh no, go to the columns. I'm sorry, I apologize. On the left side. No. On the ribbon, on the left side. On the left side, siga a la derecha, little, hit it. He said, no, the next one. Got it.
High column.
The same, you are doing the same that you did on formatting. The same that when you hit the list sheet, the discipline, the same you did it there, okay?
Okay.
But you have the counting, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Rosa, may you please show me what do you have, please? ¿Qué, mamá? Está raining. Está raining. Ay, no te he hecho
I'm no presentator.
Sí, perdona, mi amor. Espérate, que estoy aquí. ¿Es Rosa 2 o Rosa Arteaga?
Rosa Matute 2.
Arteaga. Ah, ¿es el 2? El 2,
Ajá.
espérate, es el 2. Ok. Presentator. Ok, got it. Ok. ¿Qué pasa, mamá?
Can you see?
Ok, sí, pero muéstrame todo arribita, Rosa. El header, beautiful. Now I want you no, yo quiero que go ahead and insert the count field.
Count field.
Lo
I have it. Yeah,
ya
I have it. Yeah.
You
It's
have
here.
it?
Yeah, it's
Beautiful.
here.
Let me do the counting in the, okay, o say, okay. Muéstrame abajo el counting.
Grand total 28.
Beautiful, excellent, very nice. Ladies, save that because I want you to take advantage of that. Now, let's do something quickly. Okay, what I want to
Excuse me, Luz. Please, if we have time at the end, remember that I couldn't do the keynote legend.
okay, I don't know
Okay.
why you cannot do it, but let's do something, Rosa. I don't know if you have time, let's say, let's see, on Friday, at least 1 hour, or tomorrow, to go and see, for the, let me see, let me go back and share. I know that you cannot, let's see, and if Haley can join us, what I can do, let's do something. Next Wednesday, we can recap whatever included the keynotes.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay?
For me, it's perfect.
If no is Wednesday, let's do it for Tuesday. Tuesday, that's it. On Tuesday, we can recap. That's the last class. Then we can address that. I'm going to send you a quick floor plan, two floor plan, two story, and along with Haley. Have those notes ready, but I'm going to show you how you can do using the notepad, the keynoting, okay? Because there is another ways to do it with Excel sheets, and you bring it, but then you need to bring it to a CAD, and then you link the CAD file. Let's do it this way. I think so is better, okay? So let's continue, and Tuesday at this time, make yourself available and we can go over with the keynote. Because I don't know why you cannot do the keynote. Let's do one try here only, okay? Let's go, because you have that file already. I'm not going to explain the whole process of the other keynotes. I'm going to explain. No,
But
wait.
if you can, the next week is okay.
No, I'm going to do it quick. We are
Okay.
going to do it quick, because the keynotes that I'm sure that you are going to use is the user, the one that you cannot. I don't know why you didn't. You did populate. You didn't populate the schedule. However, you were able to note the elements. So that's, I don't understand why. So let's go do it. I send you that file as well. Let's go here on the floor plan level 1 quickly. Okay. You see that you have the keynote, right, Rosa?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Let's go do the last one. Whatever, let's see, we don't have here number 5. Let's see if, or number, let's go do number 5. Okay, how you do? Okay, you need to be even on level 1 or on the elevation on the section, whatever the keynote was already prepared for that. So what you need to do is this. Make sure that you view, correct? Over here, we don't have the schedule. Well, the schedule is already there because we created the legend. We created the legend keynotes, okay? And the legend keynotes is here. If you look for the legend, NDC keynote legend, correct? Check it out, Rosa. You have this?
Yes, without
Yes,
the keynote.
yes. Pero you have it now, but you didn't have it that day, correct?
Correct.
Okay, but let's to be fair. Let's go to be fair. Let's go do it on Tuesday, because I don't want to give you easy task on that, because I know that you did it, but I don't know, for some reason you were having the tags, but the schedule was not populated over here, correct? So if something's wrong there, let's go do it from scratch, okay? We are going to do it on Tuesday, okay? So for me to explain to Haley and to you quickly how the user of the keynotes included when you go to Notepad, to the Notepad, do this, and then bring it to your project, okay? So let's go, continue here. Let's go to on level 1. And level 1, I want you to go back and level 1. In level 1, I want you highlight it, right click, and I want you say duplicate, but duplicate with detailing. Okay, do duplicate alone. Do duplicate view, duplicate alone. See, you don't have no nodes, you don't have no tags, you don't have no dimensions. That could be used, yes. I'm not telling you that that could not be possible, correct? But that's not what I want now, because this, you can use it. Go ahead, highlight it and delete it, okay? Now, go back to the level 1, right click, duplicate view with detailing, duplicate with detailing, click on that. Now, you have the tags, you have the sections, the room names, correct? That's what is the difference between duplicate view, plain, and duplicate with detailing. Now, I'm going to give you an advice. I did it with this because I want to go ahead and maintain my room names and room number. But I don't need to, in this case, if the most what I need to have is the wall types that I have it. So I rather have it here on the life safety or on the other floor plan that we take this copy from. So I don't want you have 2 tags floor plans, the same floor plan. You don't need it. I don't want you also, if you don't need to have the windows on the life safety. You don't need it because you have it already. Let me go ahead, be on level 1, copy 1, close the inactive view. Okay, because I want to show you the sample. Go ahead and open level 1. I want you make sure that you have only 2 views on. Level 1, copy 1, and level 1. I want you go and view tab and locate what is panel tile views. Tile views. Okay? You have all these over here?
Yes.
Correct? Okay, now you are going to come here on your project browser, right click, and you are going to rename this floor plan. And this floor plan is going to be, let's see, life safety, level 1 floor plan. Okay, if you want to, okay, floor plan. That's it. Okay, so you have that life safety level 1 floor plan. Now you have your level 1 alone. Now you don't need to repeat. If I have my tags here, that's perfect. If I have my window tags and my door tag, beautiful. My room, eventually, of course. Then I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete from this level 1 only my wall types. I'm going to select this, the A1, and I'm going to delete it from there. I'm going to leave this alone. I should have my dimensions here, correct? Because this is could be the dimension floor plan. This Actually, this is the dimension floor plan. Okay, so you come here on your new life safety level 1 floor plan. You come here on the life safety level floor plan, correct? Here you
Hey,
are
Luz,
going.
I get lost. I delete the tab one and then?
That's it on
Okay,
on your level 1.
correct.
Okay, what I'm insisting on this, Kaylee and Rosa, because you show only one time the information. In this case over here, correct? Over here, I'm sorry, the window tag or the door tags. So over here, you are going to only show what is life safety pertaining, what it belongs to life safety. That's it. So what you need to do in life safety level 1, select one of the window tags, right click. You are going to select all the instance in the view, not in the project, because if you select the project, it's going to select included here on level 1. You are going to select all instance invisible in view, and this view where you are life safety. Capiche? Everybody with me?
Yeah.
Is perfect. So you are going to delete it. Correct? Okay. So it's not, you don't need to show things twice because then you have to go and fix it. Then you don't need neither to show the door numbers. Select you door numbers. Make sure it's the door numbers tag. Right click, select all the instance visible in the view or in the project. Who can help me on that? Who can help me? It's going to be
The view.
beautiful, excellent. I love it. So you delete it. You have your doors number here, you window tag in there. You don't need to do it twice. You don't even need to hit it here. Don't do it. You don't need it. Honestly, don't hit it. You have it here, you have it here, but don't hit it here if you don't need it. Because somebody can or something, I'm going to do something, then the person doesn't know, it's going to populate this with that, no. This is what it is. Okay, now, let's say that we don't need even the tag. Select one of the tag, right click, select all the instance invisible in the view and delete it. Okay? Even the sections, but okay, let's leave it the sections. You can go ahead, right click, let's go, right click, hit it and hit in view the element. Select the other section, click, hit and view the element. Why? If I come here, let's say if I'm going to select this, let's see, I'm going to select this section, I'm going to delete it, it's going to complain. Why? I should not delete that section. Fíjate, estoy deleted those tags que I don't need it on that life safety. However, the section view, el programa me está warning. Me lo va a dejar hacer, pero a mi costo. El costo mío que voy a pagar es que voy a delete una sección, un view section. So, ojo con eso. Why? Because this is an associate view. If I delete it here, I deleted the whole project. So just over here, right click, hit it in view that element. That's it. Okay? See ves la diferencia? This is a 2D element, the doors number and this tag. However, these are view associate. Okay, if I delete it here, I delete it here, or I delete it the whole, I'm not going to have no section view. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, now I have this, and let's go have some fun. I'm going to close level 1, and I'm going to teach you something. Okay, now we are on the life safety level 1 floor plan, correct? Okay, now I send you a hash partner. A hash pattern, hoy también. Es un pad format. PAT format from CAD. Esos son los hash that we use in CAD. Okay, so we are going to use it here, but only the hash. Okay, where? Imagine, just imagine. It's no. We don't have here. Let's say, if you want me, I can enclose this stair, pero vamos a no llegar hasta allá. Let's go imagine that the code, let's see, vamos a echarle la culpa al código. That for the code, this guy here is not in office. This is in a storage. Okay? Cuando tú tienes storage, dependiendo también, usually it's going to be 1 hour rating. Okay? 1 hour rating, but I need to have 2 hour rating. Okay? If I want to have 2 hour rating, should be, let's go, una locura, mechanical room, ¿verdad? Con ventana, pero bueno. Let's go say that the point is that I need to have 2 hour rating in these walls. Okay? 2 hour ratings in this wall. Obviously, the thickness of the wall is 5 and 5. Okay. Let's go quickly. Only on this purpose. Select this wall. Over here, what says MDC 5, let's go look for MDC 6 inches. No me importa que sea generic. Okay? Que diga 6 inches, 2 hours. Vamos, if you have it over there that says 126. Interior 126 millimeter, partition 2 hours. Select that. Oh, va a protestar esto. Espérate. Okay. Select that one. Okay. So over here in edit type, I want to be consistent on my naming. So I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to put here, let's say, I'm going to put MDC or 6 inches, space MDC, 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. Let's say 2 hours.
Excuse me, Luz.
Ajá,
I have a warning message here.
Pero te lo deja hacer.
Yes.
Okay. Déjalo así. Entonces pon, let's go put this 6 inches MDC 2 hours. Okay. O vamos a hacerla bien. Vamos a hacer las cosas bien. Olvídate. Vamos a cancelar eso que acabamos de hacer. Vamos a hacer las cosas bien. Vamos. Let's go do something. This wall and this wall is going to be 2 hour rating, period. What I'm going to do is, if I select this wall, I'm going to split it. Let's go do it quickly. Come here to modify. Let's go here and modify. Then select a split element. Ubicate yourself over here in this intersection between that vertical wall and the horizontal wall. Clear. Okay, so you have 2 walls there. correct? You have 2 walls there, right, ladies? 2 walls there. So let's go. Is everybody with me here?
Yes.
Okay, Haley?
Yes.
Yes, okay. We are going to create 8 inches CMU wall here, period. That's it. How? Let's go here on architecture. Let's go and wall. Okay, and wall. And wall, you go to the type selector and let's go ubicate the basic generic 8 inches MDC. You see here, wall generic 8 inches MDC. Click on that one. Basic wall generic 8 inches MDC. Select edit type. Duplicate, and you are going to call this, remove the generic word, you are going to leave 8 inches MDC CMU 2 HR, 2 hours, okay, 2 hours, 8 inches MDC CMU space number 2 lowercase h r, and you say okay. You don't compromise the wall that you select first. Then here, what I want you, go to the structure of the area assembly, click on the material. You will have this, correct? You will have this. Whatever you have here, that's okay. That's perfect. Okay? Now, what we need to is to go ahead. You say, okay, here and identity data, you are going to look for fire rating. You are going to look for fire rating and you are going to enter. This is very important, ladies. Whatever you are going to enter here is going to be checked on the filter. I'm going to teach you how to use at least a filter concept using a wall ratings. So the naming, whatever naming you are using, uppercase, lowercase, space, uppercase, lowercase, you need to be consistent, okay? So fire rating, you are going to enter number 2, lowercase h, lowercase r. You can use uppercase h, uppercase r, but then you have to know that and use it eventually later on the filter, okay? So everything match. You say, okay, no problem, that's my wall. Oh, and the tag, I want you to use tag mark. Yes, you are going to, let's say that you are going to use a tag mark for this, and it's going to be C, let's say C, and dash line, I'm sorry, C as in Charlie, 2. Let's see. C like CMU and 2 because it's 2 hours. Let's see. Okay. Now, just draw that wall, a little segment of that wall here. Nothing happened. So you say you wall there. You have the wall there already done. You have that wall there, ladies.
Yes.
Yes, Haley.
Yes.
Haley.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now look at here. You are going to select this wall. Then you are going to also scroll down. Let's see. Press Control down on your keyboard and select this wall as well. Then you are going to your type selector. And then you are going to select basic wall 8 inches MDC CMU 2 hours. And this is what you're going to have. Okay? That's what it is. delete the other word that you have here, delete it. So you have this NCMU wall there. Let's say that for some reason, we are going to call this, let's say it could be a mechanical room, or it could be a storage, but depending on what are you going to storage, let's go mechanical room. Or put a storage room, put a storage room, storage room. It's a high, hard, dangerous materials. But see, I have two names here, and maybe that's why the program was complaining. For some reason, I have I should be in let me see, I have a problem here. I have this is level 1, and it looks like I have the 4 level here. So I'm going to delete the 4. Everything with the 4, I'm going to delete it for now. I'm going to delete that. That's what it was complaining. Ay, Dios mío. Okay. Okay, so I have something wrong here, and I just noticed that. Okay, let's see this as well. Why I have like a room boundary? Okay, I have to remove all what says 4. Okay, so let's go click on what says 4. Delete that. I apologize. Delete it because we have only, this is the first floor. We should not have nothing 4 here. Okay, no 4, delete that tag, delete it. Okay, that was the message that probably Rosa mentioned it. As well here on the room, on the restroom, let's go here. We need to have only one 106. I apologize. 106. That's it. We don't need 4s here. Let's go select this, remove, and delete that 4. Okay, and as well this, the last one. Let me see. Delete that one as well, and that's it. Okay. So in recap, we have the 100 numbers for the life safety first floor plan. I'm going to wait for you to do it. I don't want confusion. Okay.
No, no, Luz. In my case, the last Saturday I had erased that room.
What room?
The 4003 and the under
Okay,
the other ones.
pero you can now you can rename it and just put
Yes, I did it.
yeah. Pero let me see why. I don't know why that happened. This is correct. This is correct, and that was repeating there, so I have something wrong.
That was when we copied the rooms and paste in the other levels. That in
Mira,
that
este es el
in that
problema.
moment,
Sí,
yes, in
sí,
that moment was when
sí.
we made that mistake.
Yeah, pero cuando tú copias de paste to paste a level, it should not do that. It should not do that. I mean, I did something wrong. Vamos a ponerlo así. I did something wrong. Vamos a ponerlo así. Ok, en la computadora no se equivoca. Uno es el que se equivoca. So, ok, let's go. Then here. Pero bueno, esto ya se quita esto. Y we are going to, give me 1 second, delete it, and save it, and delete it, so we don't have a double counts, because esto va a reflejarse entonces en los schedules. If we leave it like that, that could be reflecting in the schedule. So, to recap, Haley, do you have the life safety floor plan with the 100?
Yes, I have to delete it, but I have it now.
Okay, now, also, you go and check your project later on, and mira lo que, ay, espera, over here, like in level 1, Also, you have to be careful. It needs to be 100 numbers. Okay, now, go back to life safety. Aquí es donde está la cuestión. So you have this wall, and this wall, if you come here on the annotate, and then you come tag by category, click on tag by category, and then it's going to be C2, correct? C2. If you want to do it like let's see here, horizontal, C2, and you want to do it something like this, or you can, the only way I can approach this is this. At least if you want to have it with two tags of arrows, I don't see the program doesn't have two tags arrow yet. So, but you can have something like that. You select your tag, and you know that you edit type. You go here and leader arrow. You click on that, and heavy. You can select the heavy end over here. Beautiful heavy end. You make it sure there is heavy end. When you print it out, remember the thin line is to be off in order for you to see the thickness of your walls. Now, here, I'm not going to go into that. That will be for the join. It needs to be joined. It needs to be crispy. This joint needs to be one with the other one. But at this moment, what I want to accomplish, let's see if we can fillet this, go to modify, trim extend, this with this, let's see. Ok, no me deja. Posiblemente el height de una de ellas no me deja, pero let me see. 1 to 2, -6, y esta es 1 to 2, it looks the same. Pero bueno, let's go do it, leave it like that, because the important thing is coming now. Now, you have this 2 hours, and then you are going to have this over here, all this here, all this. Let's go. Select this wall here, MDC 5, edit duplicate here, and it's going to be MDC 5, 1 hour. Let's see.
Which wall did you select?
Okay, I'm going to repeat. Give me 1 second.
Sorry.
Yes. Select this wall. Okay. So you can select that wall and press down and select the other wall here. This and this wall. This wall and este moñito de acá. Okay, all that wall. Okay, press Control down. Then you come here to the edit type. Then you come and duplicate. And then you are going to put this wall 6 inches, MDC 6 inches, 1 espacio 1 H, lowercase h, R. Okay, MDC espacio 6 for 6 inches, space 1 HR, HR lowercase. That's it. Then on the structural and the assembly, click on that, and we are going to, instead to have 5, we are going to have 6. So on the structural and metal stock layer, enter 5, please, 5 inches. 5 inches. On layer 3, structural, metal stock layer, 5 inches. Then you say, okay. Then on the tag mark, you are going to enter, say, I'm sorry, ya tenemos C, let's go enter, I'm sorry, B1. B1, es un tag mark for the wall. Then the fire rating, I want you enter 1 lowercase h, lowercase r, 1 hour. Okay, because we have 2 hours and 1 hour, correct? Then you say, okay. Then that wall is 6 inches, okay? 1 hour, okay? Now, let's go again. You can go ahead and annotate, tag by category, or you can select this tag, right click. Remember the right click give you menu, create similar, and you come here on your wall that you just modified, then create another one, then cancel twice, correct? Then move this, if you please, over here to align with this, okay, ya una encima de la otra, okay, in order to have something like that, if you want to, okay? Okay, oh, you can have it over here too, because still the wall is on top of the door, correct? Now, here, what we are going to do, we are going to create a filter, okay? So where are we going to create the filter? Is everybody here with me? Haley and Rosa? Hello? Hola?
Yes, I'm here.
And Rosa and Haley?
Yes.
Haley? Okay, now let's go create a filter. Now, where we go to create the filter? View, select filter. I'm sorry, select view. Let's go for filter. We need to create a filter, correct? So look for the creation of a filter, view, then create a select filter here, okay? So over here, guys, you are on this dialog. In this dialog, you are going to create a 1 hour rating and 2 hour rating, a filter for your walls. So how? You see here this little icon on your left lower section, click on that. See, filter name. Then you are going to put exactly what you did first. 2HR or 2HR. Leave it like that, 2HR. Okay, and then you say okay. Then where are you going to place that filter? Where are you going to place that filter? Let me shut it up the light so he doesn't see the cat outside. I'm sorry. No te voy a dar ninguna cookie. No te voy a dar ninguna cookie. Okay. So you are
Luz, I can find the filter tab and on view.
okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Sí.
Okay.
Acuérdate que
Yes, I got it.
Acuérdate que that's not the filter when you select. This is the filter for the view, visibility graphic that you are going to show on this view. So you select the filter, okay? Always remember something, ladies. When you are going to create a view, when you're going to create a section, a collab, a drafting, a plan view, something related with you a new sheet, a composition, a revision, a grid. Remember, you are going to create something related with your view, you go to view. Okay, remember that, okay? When you're going to do a management, okay, additional settings, dimension, you go to manage. So that is related. This program, that's what it is ordered. Everything has a place. So in this case, Rosa, you are going to click the says new here. Then,
I did it.
okay, then make sure that it's 2HR. Okay, 2HR.
I don't have that 2HR. Do we have to create it?
Claro que sí. Aquí, over here. Look, you are creating a filter. Who asked me that? Rosa?
Hey.
Haley, mira, mamá. You see here, Haley? on this little thing that says new, on the dialog on your lower acá, and to left side.
Yes, I found
Okay,
it.
click on that, please.
Yes, I did it.
And then it's going to ask you for a name.
To HR.
To HR, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, now you come here where it says categories, correct?
Yes.
Okay, you are going to look, where are you going to apply that filter? In a door, in a roof, in a floor, in a roof, or in a wall? That's the question that Revit is asking. The category is going to be a wall, correct? La categoría es wall. That's where you're going to apply that filter. Now, here, you see, I first do my filter, then I select the category, then I come here to select the rules I'm going to add to my filter. So, all rule must, okay, perfect, déjalo así, but then to my walls. Then, next to walls, I'm going to click something. The filter that I'm going to use for that wall, correct, is going to be what? A fire rating, okay? So the wall rating is going to be on that. So you are going to look for, let's see, type mark.
It says my rating.
It says fire rating, that's why you need to look for it. Okay, I'm sorry, wait. Exactly. Give me 1 second. No, no. Ya tú comiste, ellos no han comido. No, bad boy. Stop being so nonsense. Okay, fire rating, perfecto. That's where you're going to apply that filter, correct? Then you say apply. But here, oh, I'm sorry. Wait. I need to look here for my fire rating. Okay, over here. But para here, let's see. Click over here. Let me see over here. Let me see. Okay, over here under fire rating, we need to add the 2 hour. Let's see, 2 HR. Okay, 2 HR for that. Okay, it's in a wall that equals. You see walls, then you put equals 2 HR. Okay, esto es bien importante. And I apologize, my dog. I'm going to recap. You create your filter. You come to the category and you look for the filter where you're going to apply is a wall. Then you come filter rules. And filter rules, you come walls. Then you come here. You look here from this dialog, the fire rating. Then you select walls. Under walls is going to be equals, because that's what's going to be a filter. Equals to what? Or doesn't not equal or greater than? No, you say equal to HR. Okay, and then you say okay. Okay, so let's go for this wall. You come here, what is the visibility graphic? What is the visibility graphic? And view visibility graphic, or even here in this view, or you type on your keyboard BG. Okay, BG. Okay, then you look on the tab on the visibility graphic filter. Click on that. I want everybody with me here.
I'm there.
Okay, and how about Haley? Haley?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, now you look for filter, then you are going to come lower on that dialog on your left side, add, correct? And see, you have 2H there, correct? You select 2H and then you put OK, correct? You filter appear over there in the visibility graphic?
Yes,
Haley? Rosa?
that was Haley. Yes.
Okay, and Rosa?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, this is the part. The part is this. We don't need projection surface, right? A projection could be in an elevation. We need is a cutting because you are cutting this floor plan. You don't need to do the filter under the lines. You need to do it using a partner. So you are going to click on that, says cut, partner, pattern, override. Click on that. And this is very important. Patterns, click what says override and take you here. Now, you are going to leave foreground visible, leave it like that. Check on. You are going to come here where it says pattern, click on that, but that's not the pattern that we are going to use, correct? Because it's not there downloaded yet. You are going to click on the two things that you have here, the 3 points here, click on that, correct? Then we are going to bring a pattern, correct? We are going to bring a pattern and then let's go see is Eddie is a new fill pattern. See here, the same situation here, a new fill pattern, okay? A new fill pattern. Click over here, please. A new fill pattern, okay? Okay, so over here, you see that says basic, this, click on custom. Please, click on custom. Okay, and custom, that's why we need to go and browse for the pattern I sent you this morning or this afternoon. Click on browse. Then let's go ubicate the pattern. Oh, I don't know where you download it in your computer. Try to look for it, please. Let me see. Let's see. Its extension is
General 2-hour.
Yeah, you have it there?
Yes.
Okay, espérate, que es que el mío, okay. Rosa, if you don't see it, or Haley, you just put anytime that you don't see the file extension there that you are looking and you know is there, you put asterisk, point asterisk, it will show you all those files, different extensions there, okay? So let me see because I don't have it here, but I know I have it on the other ones. It should have it here. Well, don't worry. I'm going to look for the MDC level 1, and should be. Ay, Dios mío, espera. Give me 1 second. It should be. Give me 1 second. Que no. Student here. Okay. Yes. Select general 2HR. Okay. Rosa, you have this, and Haley, you have this?
Yes.
Hello? Okay,
Yes.
now, leave alone whatever setting is here. Then, the only thing is here, orientation in host layers. Click on that and select align with the element. Because if you leave it orient to view, when you do it vertical or by verse, it's going to do it on one way. It's going to be looking like it's going to be horizontal. Let's put it that way. So if you select align with elements, it's going to be working even you doing horizontal line or vertical lines. It goes with that, right? Okay. So you say, okay, that's 2 hours, but then you want to have a color on that. You say, okay, here on foreground on color, you click on that here on that button, you are going to enter, let's say, yellow. yellow color for that. Okay. And you say okay here, and then you say okay here. And then you should have something like that. Okay. Who doesn't have it like that? Haley, you have it?
Yes, I have it.
And how about Rosa?
I have it too.
Okay, perfect. So I want you to keep that in mind. When you are going to use this procedure in another project, what you may have to have is the pattern, okay? And to do your filter in that project. This, you cannot transfer, like project transfer to one. No, you need to have the pattern. It's the most that it can go with that, okay? So let's give a try for the 1 hour here. So let's go do the same thing. So you go to view, you create your filter, correct? Filter, correct? Now, here, one more time. And this dialog click says new to create the filter, okay? Then the name of that filter is going to be 1HR. 1HR, then you say okay. 1HR, where are you going to apply that? Is going to be applied into your walls. Then walls here, then click next to walls. What are you going to apply that filter? On that wall, on the fire rating, you have it here. Then you are going to place over here equals, because that's en sí este es el filter, equals. Then you are going to enter here 1 hour, correct? I create my filter, I apply to the category I need to, I put the rules on my filter, walls, where in the wall and the fire rating, the filter itself is equals to my 1HR. Is going to look for this. Then you say, okay, nothing happened. Ojo con algo. A veces el detail level fine, it works fine here, but sometimes it needs to be, it doesn't show the color, and you know that you apply the filter to the wall, maybe it's going to be, you need to use medium, okay? So keep that in mind. So here you come the visibility graphic, and visibility graphic, you go again to filters, and filter, you come and add, see your filter is there, 1HR, you say okay. Then the same situation, let me get up because okay, I'm sorry. So here in 1HR, look for the cutting section, click under patterns, click on overrides, then on foreground and pattern, click what says no override, click on that. Obviously, we don't have that pattern there. Then you go in browser on the 3 points, click on that. Okay, and then you are going to create a new pattern, correct? It's a drafting pattern. Say new field pattern, click on here. Then come what says custom, because it's a custom. You are going to bring it. It's a custom. You are going to bring it. Click over here where it says browse. Select the 1 hour. Open. the same orientation to the host layers is going to be aligned with the element. Align with the element. Then say OK. Then say OK. Then apply a color. The color will be red. Select OK here. Okay. Okay, what is the difference between the colors yellow and red? Well, I used to work for healthcare, doing projects for hospitals, and ACA is the agency who administrates for the hospitals and clinics. They request to identify like 2 hours rating as a yellow and 1 hour red, and could be, let's say, a different for a smoke barrier too, could be blue. But with this example, that will be enough for you guys to have the concept. So okay here, then you say okay. Now what happened here? The scale, see? Because if I apply this filter into an 8 hour, 8 inches wall, that will not happen. So sometimes this happens. Well, the only approach I can have is to change the scale. So where we go to do that is on the, let's see, on the filter, go to the filter, I'm sorry, to the visibility graphic. Go to the visibility graphics and filters. Okay. Click over here where it says cut pattern. Click over here. Okay. Go back where it says here on the 3 points here. The 3 points here. Over here. Okay. Then ubicate the 1 hour rating over here. Correct. Ubicate it. You are going to edit the fill pattern. Edit the fill pattern. Click on that on the little pencil. Let's see if we can work. You see the import scale. Import scale is 1. Let's go see if we can work with maybe, I don't know, maybe 6. 6. Okay. Okay. Let's see, work with 6. Apply. Let me see what happened. Works something weird. Okay, let's go back to the visibility graphic. Go back with the filter, where the filter is the cut pattern. Go back to the 3 points to ubicate for the settings. Then make sure it's 1 hour highlighted. Select the little pencil. Come here where it says importer scale. I don't know, maybe it will work with 12. Let's see, that happened one time to me. Okay, and see if that works now. Well, it works weird. Let's see, give it the last try, because I'm sure if I apply to the 8 inches wall, that will not behave. So let's go back to the last time, visibility graphic, go to the filter, cut patterns, click on that, click on the 3 points, make sure 1H is highlighted, edit pattern, imported categories. Let's see if we can even align. Select here and let's put what? Let me see, 0.5. I'm not sure if it will work. Okay. 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 No. Now the scale should be more than 1. So let's see for the last time. Select one more time. Go. I'm sorry. Filter, visibility graphic. Go to filter, cut pattern. Click again. click on the 3 points, make sure it's 1 hour selected, edit pattern. Over here, let's go put 1.5. Not sure if that works. See, I'm seeing it here. I'm not sure if that works. Let's see. No. So we can do it as a 8 inches wall, but over here must be, we need to play with the scale, but the concept is there. Okay, I can do it in 8 inches wall. I don't want to hold the class just because of that. We can go back to this, let's say on Tuesday, okay, because I know if I make it on, that happened one time, but I work on the scale, okay? But do you understand the concept to create a filter, ladies? Hello?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and Haley, and Haley, okay. Now let's do.
Yes,
Haley,
we do.
are you there? Okay, now, so we have this. Now let's go here on the site plan to create the site plan. After creating the site plan, then we can start working on the renderings and then a walkthrough. To have for Saturday the creating form and massing and some conceptual massing and group, and also the work sharing, which is included for the central, how you can create the central file and local, to have that idea how you can, when you go to the office, how you can go ahead and do your own local user file. Okay, so now we are going back to our site plan, correct? If you go, let's go close the view that we don't have active. So go to the site plan, close inactive view here. Okay, close inactive view there. Okay, so I want go to the 3D, go to the 3D. Give me 1 second. Te voy a llevar con tu papá ya. Yeah. Okay, so we have the 3D view here, correct? Okay, looks like that the sidewalk is buried on that topo. And something here we need to manipulate as well. Okay, there is something that I need to tell you. I'm going to leave this asphalt down like this, because usually what I like to do, if it's something paved, I like to do my slab, then to do the split region, to do whatever I need to do. Okay, let's see if that works now. If not, we do the slab. Okay, how we can approach this that we see over here as well. Okay, you select, you have the 3D and you have the site plan. And when you go to the tile views over here, go to the tile view.
Excuse me, Luz. What about if
Yes.
I don't have that slab?
No,
I
you
can
don't have
work.
this.
No, no.
No, no problem.
No.
Eh,
Okay.
no te preocupes. Vamos a hacer esto. Hailey, could you please delete this? Hailey, delete this, please, as
Sure.
well. Okay. Nothing happened there, Rosa. Okay. Hailey is having that hole. You are going to have your slab. Don't worry. And as well like this. Okay. Okay. How this was done is the split region. I'm going to explain to you that in a few moments. Okay. Let's go take care of this. But you have this, Rosa, correct? Rosa, do you have this?
No,
Okay.
neither.
Okay.
But I can open
No,
the file
no.
that you send us. Or
Okay.
you
You
need
can.
the schedule.
No, I want you keep it working where you are. Let's
Okay.
go do this quickly. You can do this quickly. Let's go do it quickly. You go ahead and mira, you just put a slab there, something like this, okay?
I don't have that slide that you already erased. That
Pero,
you are
pero you can,
and neither the stair. because
oh,
because I the last class I left early.
earlier. Okay, so go ahead and open quickly. Bueno, imagínate. Go ahead and open that file quickly.
Okay.
Go ahead. Well, and for exercise, you can do whatever we just did. Okay? Hello? Are you opening?
I'm opening.
Okay. Okay, Haley, undo because we need this asphalt. Undo that, Haley, please.
Okay, I did.
Okay. You let us know, okay? Okay. Close the one you are working, Rosa. Hello?
Ya que tú tenía abierto el Revit, la versión 21.
Oh,
Entonces me estaba pidiendo que lo...
upgraded. Okay.
Sí, no, pero ya... No, abrí el 2020, que también lo tengo aquí.
Okay. Ay, qué linda.
Ahora sí estoy lista.
Okay. Pero ahora, yo no sé, se me fue la pantalla esta. Ustedes no ven nada ahí.
Sí, estoy viendo, pero ahí su conexión está mala.
Sí, mi conexión está malísima. Okay, ahora ya está. Okay.
And done.
Okay, you done? Okay, so go back to the 3D and to the site plan. Okay? You got it?
Yes.
Okay, now, okay, so working on the topo, I recommend you 3D and you site open, right? So aquí tenemos esto. Let's go take care of this. I want you select the topography you have. I want you select the edit surface on your ribbon, correct? First of all, let's go. These points are elevation points, correct? So, vamos a take care of this first. Select that one, the boundary point, this point that I'm selecting here, this point. You see it's -7 and some fractions. Click anywhere. Select the next one here. It's -2 feet, 10 inches, correct? This point needs to be aligned with this in order to have a flat surface there. So you select that point again, and you are going to enter -2 space 10. Correct? Negative. Don't worry about this. We take care of that later. Okay? Okay. Now, let's go here Select this point one more time to 10. That's okay. This to 10, perfect. Now here, these points plus or minus needs to be in that range or a little higher than this in order to
Hi,
select.
Luz, I have an error. When
Yes.
I click the point, it says a new formula have to be added.
No. Select the point. That's it.
I did.
You did, pero if it doesn't say to me, why it say to you?
I don't know why. Let me try again.
Okay, I'm going to put you as a presenter.
Now I did it. I put two minus sign.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Got it.
Thank
Now,
you.
I want you to come here to this point here. You see this point is negative 210. Perfect. Let's leave it like that for now. Then, come here, click here on your side. Select this point next to the ramp. It's 210. Perfect. We need to work on this, correct? So, what you need to do is on your Revo, place point, select place point, and your option bar, what says elevation, enter -2 space 10. -2 space 10. You are going to place the next point, not too many points because it's then difficult to manage all those points when you need it. Just on the midpoint of that sidewalk, correct? Then zoom in and try to do it next to the handrail of your stair. 1 point, okay? And let's see the other point over here at the end of the sidewalk and see. Doesn't look like it's going down, correct? So try to place another point here at this corner over here, another somewhere in front to the midpoint of the stair over here. See if that goes down, doesn't look like. And the last one over here, and see, and across. So all those points, -10, okay? -10 for those points. Come here to the surface mode, finish mode. Still, we have still seen, oh no, yo creo que esto va a estar, se ve así en un momento dado. Ok, look guys, se ve así en un momento dado, pero I don't know if it's cuestión de visualización que se ve, pero let's go leave it like that for now, because can you see the whole driveway without grass? Hello?
My I see with grass.
Pero if you move it, because I can put
No,
it negative, no?
no, always with grass.
Okay, so select again the topo and the last time, because let's go and see if we can select the last, for the last time, the surface, any surface. Okay, then zoom in, select, if we have 210 there, 210, let's go place here 211, okay, 211, select all these points, this point and this point on the driveway. Let's go put enter -3 feet, -36 inches. That's it. -36 inches. All these points here, -3 feet, -3 feet. This -3 feet as well. Then these two next to the ramp, just leave it like that. Leave this like that, 210 or whatever. But these 3 feet, those 3 feet, okay? And then leave it, that one like that, and see? Go back to the edit surface and finish mode. Save your project, and you have something like this. Correct? We need to work on this gap here. Correct? So far this is okay. Except that over here, se ve enterrado, we can change it, but you can do it, okay, as a practice. Now, let's go return this. Modify. See what is the problem that we have here that should be aligned with that. Okay, so obviously I cannot get any surface points here. Okay, or from here to modify here. See, I have these points here around of my side, the asphalt. Okay, are you like this? Oh, let me go back. Okay, I select the asphalt. I select the asphalt. Correct? Select edit surface. Correct? Let's do something. Let's go cancel this. Let's go do something. Let me see if we can do something here. I want you to select the, I want you to go to the massing inside, let's go merge the surface. If I can merge this guy with this guy, let's go and see it. If no, we can work it out this as an asphalt. So merge the surface, merge the surface, select the green area, the edge of the green area, and select the asphalt. Beautiful. I want something like that. Okay? For you to know how I did the asphalt part. Everybody with me?
Yes.
Hello? Okay.
Yes.
Well, okay. Give me 1 second. Okay. Now, what we are going to do here on the site plan, let's go concentrate on the site plan. Imagine that you are going to have a parking spot, at the sidewalk of your street, and part of the sidewalk and the street. Okay. So how we can have like a reference quickly? I'm going to architectural. I'm going to motor line. Okay. Then here, I'm going to select from this site plan, this part over here, next to the walkway, next to the building. I'm going to click, and I'm going just to give, let's say, what? I'm going to give 10 feet down there. 10 feet down there.
Hi, Luz, I have trouble hearing you. Can you repeat it?
Yes, no problem. Sorry. Okay. Look, you go to the architectural, select model line, then you select this on the walkway next to your building, select that point and go down 10 feet. 10 feet, okay? 10 feet. Now, click there on that 10 feet, even though we cannot see it. Let's see, let me see how we can see that, Haley. Give me 1 second, Haley, because we need to see the model lines. I know it's there. Let me see if we can work it out as our, okay, let me see. Okay, yes, I apologize. I'm going to delete whatever I did. Okay, look, I select and I'm going to delete. I want you big and Rosa on the side plan. I want you go to your detail on the visual style and select wireframe. Okay, wireframe. Then I want you concentrate. We're going to do a parking here and some sidewalk. You go in the architecture, select model line. Make sure the line style click is at let's say white lines, because we can delete it later. White line. Ubicate yourself on the left side, on the bottom of that walkway next to your building. Left bottom side walkway. Click and go 10 feet. 10 feet. Okay, 10 feet. You can even type it on your keyboard. Then let's go here and do a line even though it goes out of your topo. Go down 5 feet, because you are going to do the sidewalk.
How long was the
Mi amor,
line?
todo lo que tú quieras que salga.
Okay.
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 Esa la vamos a borrar, okay? Then you return with that line here, okay? You return, let's say, vamos a decirle que te devuelvas 230, 230 feet, correct? 230 feet. Then that's the sidewalk, and then you come here, and that is going to be another line goes down there, because you need to have a space here for the parking space. Okay, that is only reference what I'm doing here. So I'm going to accommodate myself again on this part of my walkway next to my building, on the top section here on the walkway on the left side. Click on that endpoint, and that endpoint you go away, let's say 10 feet, write down, enter 10 feet in your keyboard. Then enter, let me see, enter 18 feet. I don't want to confuse you. That is going to be for my car, 18 feet. Okay, one of the cars. Then let's go and go on with that line. Let's go to 100 feet. 100 feet there. Then come to your left side, 22 or 24. You can put 24 feet, enter. Then continue 18 feet. That's it. And go down until, let's see, you find this line here. I'm sorry, until this line before the walkway. Something like that I want to have. Then return 18 and go down with that line. That's it. Something like that. I'm going to wait for you. I don't want to complicate. Only something like this. Haley, Rosa, hello.
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, so I want you to select this vertical line. Select that line and come to the modify tools and select move. This line is going to move 18 feet. 18 feet, and that's it. Line is short, whatever it says, delete element is going to delete I don't know what, but that's what I want. I don't want, that's what I want, okay? My parking, esta es parte de mi parking here. I can continue with my sidewalk here. My
From
side,
there to there, I have to move the first line that you move.
yeah, what line? Let me see. What line?
The first that you move.
Yes, this line, move it 18 to your right, 18 feet. 18 to your feet, to your right. That's it.
Can you repeat it one more time?
Ok, sí, mira. Vamos a hacer esto, así. Wait, let me delete this. This is what I want. I'm going to give you the dimensions, okay? This is what I want. This is the dimensions I want. Okay, I'm going to dimension, annotate. Let me see, annotate, align.
Hi, Rosa. Are you connected?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Hi, Rosa. Luz
Uh-huh.
just called me and she said that he couldn't authenticate her password. So we need to wait for her like 10 minutes because he's going to call 24 hours, I think, Blackboard help or something like that. And then
Okay.
she's going to call us again.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Rosa. Rosa? Luz said that we have to cancel the class because she couldn't authenticate her password. So we're going to meet, I think, Monday and Tuesday. She's going to give us like 3 more classes.
Okay, okay. Thank you for letting me know.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.